Hey guys, welcome to new video. Freinaiduš here. In today's video I got some spring cleaning. So I am in my workshop and I start to clean all my boards. So I want to remove everything from my workshop, because after a couple of days I go to shopping more material and I don't want anything old stay here. So I'm clean all my silver, all my gold stuff, all my everything go to sale, and that is it. So today video I got this little socket for ITs. See that? My hand is dirty, sorry. So they got gold plating inside. It's very easy for removing from the board, and this is the amount. And now I'm gonna put that on the scale to see how much actually we got. Okay, I put that glass and the scale is on 0. So let's see how much weight we got. This is actually for my next video. Here I got some good stuff, some bad stuff, but this is all I remove from my boards, which is left. Okay. We have 173 gram. 173 gram, this little socket. So I'm gonna process that to see how much gold I can get from it, okay? And for my next video is this. On the top is some pins, which is very hard to remove. On the bottom I have even some fingers, some pins, some very good thick pins on the bottom. But this little bucket is everything which I clean from my left boards from a from my winter work, okay? I have to process these, I start to clean some board for AP. And here I got some aluminum to remove. I got some base metal, brass, copper. And in next 2 days I plan to clean all my boards. And here I got some goodies like tantalum, like a crystal oscillator, some relays, some MLCCs. And in this little beaker I start to collect these guys. This is the little MLCCs, so very soon you can expect video about that. But today we are here from this socket, and let's start. So no tin here. I will just add dilute nitric acid and leave that to dissolve all the metal. I left only a gold foil. Then I will process that with aqua regia, okay? Okay guys, so after reaction is done, have some nice little foils. I need to filter that. But first, I'm gonna dilute that with the water because that make filtering easier. Okay guys, after settling down, let's see our gold. Yeah. See, the solution is not clear, definitely. On the first drop I have a lot of dirtiness. Now I will go straight to filtration, okay?